Texas man offers Elon Musk 100 acres of land.
Texas man.
Yeah, well, you know, when you're in Texas, if you're a Texas man, you got 100 acres.
Right.
That's what happens. You're born, you got 100 acres. They're like, here you go. They just plop you in the middle of 100 acres. They're like, you're a Texas man. You got 100. No, that's not true. Obviously, that's a lot of land. And this guy wants Twitter HQ moved out of San Francisco. An Austin area man is offering Tesla CEO Elon Musk 100 acres of free land to move Twitter's headquarters from San Francisco to Texas. The offer comes after Musk's successful bid to buy Twitter for $44 billion. Texas Governor Greg Abbott tweeted that he would declare the area a free speech zone and added, maybe we can rename it Twitter, Texas. Willie Dews.
I like this. Become Scooby-Doo.
What's in it for him? This seems
Who?
Texas man.
Texas man?
More
Because
business.
he's saying for free.
Wait. Schwartner, who oversees farming and ranching on, the dude's, first of all, got 20,000 acres of land.
Yeah, but still, you don't do anything for free.
100 acres out of 20 grand?
But what's the incentive? Like, he just wants it to be on his land?
I mean, if you have 20,000 acres and you give away 100, but you bring the Twitter HQ there,
Okay.
I got to believe it may increase the value of your other 19,900 acres.
Interesting.
Because there'd be a lot of companies that would want to be nearby Twitter's HQ.
Right.
This could be the start of the next Silicon Valley.
in the middle of
Yeah.
Texas. Yeah, I don't know.
I mean,
Isn't
more
like
jobs.
Austin?
How would you? I don't even know if that's his. He might just be. It might be on principle. He likes the idea
Right.
Yes.
of
He
being a
likes the
part
free-
of that story.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you're gonna have an HQ, you know what you need. You need all this infrastructure. You're gonna need services for all those people. Like an
Right.
HQ of a tech company, you're gonna have thousands of employees.
Right.
It's gonna bring a lot of value to the region.
Mm-hmm.
He added that by giving the land, which is equivalent to 75 football fields to Musk, it would be a win-win for everybody. This area is exploding, and we want to be a part of this explosive growth. I just think with all the stuff he's done, he evidently likes Texas, right? Or he wouldn't have moved from California. And I want to be a part of his plan if he'll come visit with us. Yeah, that's it. I think it brings a lot of money into the region.
Right. Yeah.
There's a bunch of high-paying jobs and people with disposable income, and then it ends up sneaking out.
Right. You got to have restaurants there. You got to have hotels.
Hey, you know,
and-
it sneaks and it squeaks right out of there.
Mhm. Interesting.
And when it squeaks out of there, you pick a little bit of it up.
Mm.
You just walk beside the money it squeaks out.
You think Elon's doing this, though?
I don't know that Elon can even snap the fingers and do something along these lines. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's going to work with pre-existing employees. Do they want to relocate? Are you hiring new people? I mean,
Right.
it's such a time of transition. The next 6 months is going to be very interesting to see what everybody agrees to.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have to continue on. Is there going to be renegotiations? What's going to happen?
Right. Now that it's private.
Okay, Will, we have a question here from Abdullah about how your therapy is going regarding crypto. He is personally struggling.
Therapy.
I can't offer advice.
You can.
I can?
Have you fully recovered?
I think so, yeah.
And how did you get there? What was the key to your success?
Out of my phone. No apps. No apps.
Delete.
Yeah.
Delete.
The moment I check my phone, I feel like that's the habit.
Interesting.
Yeah, I kick it.
So delete off the phone is good enough. Because you can still check on the other devices, no?
Yeah,
But it's less of a pull.
I think so.
Okay, well, there's a little tip for you, all right?
That's a little start.
Get the cryptos off the phone and see how that goes. Step one.
Mm-hmm.
Mo, do you have any rules around your stock trading? Like, does it also stay off the phone or it's everywhere?
No, I just have like rules around purchasing and selling and stuff.
But looking and checking up on it hasn't become a problem yet?
No. I still finding a lot of joy out of it. I haven't seen the downside yet. Like yes, I may be spending a little bit too much time doing it, but it's really fun for me. So I'm not up late night checking in the middle of the night. I haven't gotten to that point.